Welcome to the Teacher Tech Tip. Technology tips for success in 5 minutes or less. In this Teacher Tech Tip, I'm going to chat about the Ctrl F feature in Chrome, and basically it's a find feature, and this is a great tool to use when you are looking for some information on a very large website. I'll give you an example here on my training data form that I use. This is how I can quickly find names. So if I choose my school and I want to find someone's name very quickly, all I have to do is hit Ctrl F. And when I start to type in that person's name, it highlights. So if I want to find Mr. Buchanan, I can start typing his name and it instantly goes to that spot. So that way I can click on that person's name and then scroll down to the bottom and hit next. All right, so that is a very, very quick way that you can find information on a Google form. Now, let's say you're going through the data. It even works on Google Sheets. So if I'm looking at this data and I hit Control F and I type in Buchanan, there he appears. And as you can see, it says 1 of 9. And if I click through it, I can see specifically where his name pops up. And then I would be able to check that data. And by hitting these down arrows, I can flip through them very quickly. This allows me to sort through the data as quickly as I want to. So I can do the same thing if I hit Control F, or actually if I just delete this information, or I could hit the X. I could do it that way too. Hit Control F and I type in Winters. I can see any situation where that person's name comes up and click through them very quickly and find that information. Okay. There also are more options when you're dealing with Google Sheets. You can find and replace using the Control F feature. You can search in all sheets that you may have in this or choose a specific sheet or range that you want to work with. Okay. So this is a great way to find and replace specific information. So if I wanted to find M. Winters at msdsc.us and replace with just the word Winters, I could essentially do that. I'm going to just do it on this sheet, and I'm going to replace 10 instances, and just like that, it allowed me to replace it. That is a quick way to use the Control F feature. It allows you to quickly check a website for specific information that you may want to sort through. Welcome to the Teacher Tech Tip. Technology tips for success in 5 minutes or less.